how to manually factory reset the iPhone. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on what you mean by manually, because you can open up your settings app, then proceed to the general section. And upon scrolling down in here, you'll be able to find the transfer and reset iPhone, right? So you can see that is the option we can click on. And if you want to, you can erase all content and settings, and you can see this all will be deleted. So it kind of depends on what exactly you want or mean by the automatic versus manual approach, but this is one way. If you only want to reset some specific things and factory reset some settings, not just like fully automatically wipe out the iPhone, you can instead tap on reset and, for example, reset all settings, all network settings or keyboard dictionary and so on, right? So you might be interested in that option instead of erasing the all content and settings completely. But as you could see like before, inside of the erase all content, you can see what would happen if we proceed. So it just signs out from the iCloud, it turns off the Find My, and also deletes the apps and data. If you really want to be like manual with it, like you can go to the settings, go to your profile at the top and perform all of the things manually, right? So you would be able to sign out from the Apple account, right? That would be one way. You could go to the Find My and literally turn it off, right? And also like delete all of the pictures manually, the uninstall all apps. So you could also go with the manual approach, but personally I believe that going through these settings and erasing the iPhone that way is much better, because it just makes sure that you don't leave anything there. No data will be present on the iPhone anymore. So let me know which option you decided to go with. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and straight to the point tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.